So Dom and I decided to take a last minute road trip. What is this place called? The Chileo Campground.
Yeah, I was gonna say resort.
Literally thought of doing this like last minute. Thought of doing it today, this morning, basically. So, but yeah, now we're here. Brought Hustle with us. Nice in the nature sunset. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. We still need to get things set up, so let's get started.
We literally just went to the store and bought firewood, stuff for s'mores, packed up the car, and voila, wilderness. You're so beautiful. Leash in my car? I think I do. The ratchet one?
Oh yeah, now it's way longer. Oh, watch the water. Wow, there we go. The fire is nice and going. Mom is putting up her hammock.
Oh, I might need to put it lower.
Why you can't jump over there?
No, because it's not even.
Camp is almost coming together. Right.
Yeah, it's bubbling.
I know.
Oh my god, I think the bread's catching on fire.
Yeah, I think that one's ready. Can you give me an avocado, babe? Thank you.
In the event that a bear were to come, what's our plan?
Running inside the car.
If we're sleeping in the tent.
My thing is that I don't want Hustle to hear something and start barking. But I don't think he would. But
He could also sleep in the car.
he could if we just left the car windows down a little.
Like
bit.
if it becomes an issue.
Yeah. We're down to 4 logs.
Really? Already?
Yeah. Everybody. A little bit though. Jesus.
Maybe a little less than that.
Maybe a little less. Cause that was bright. Or do you want it
You do it.
okay.
But I like mine burnt
Burnt?
on fire.
A marshmallow fireball. Yeah.
You can't have any of this, I'm sorry.
It is currently the next day. As you can see, we are just enjoying our last few hours here. Burning the last of the firewood that we have. Dominique is playing with Hustle. You see the clouds rolling in over there. This was such a super spontaneous trip.